Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manisha and today I'm super excited to show you how to enable the push notification into your Flutter application. And push notification are the fantastic way to engage with your user by sending them message directly or sending updates and offers reminder right to their devices. And the best part is it's easier with the Firebase. So if you have not watched out my previous video that how to integrate the Flutter, how to integrate the Firebase into your Flutter application, so please go watch out my previous video. After that only you can proceed here. Like we can use the Firebase product services after integrating the Firebase in our Flutter application, such that we can use the cloud messaging and authentication like services from the Firebase. So you just need to integrate Firebase into a Flutter application. So please go watch out my previous video. And in this video, I will just show you how to enable the push notification and how to integrate the code into our main files and that things, such that we can send the messages from the Firebase console directly to the devices. So let's get started. So this is my previous project that I have integrated the Firebase. You can check I have integrated Firebase in my previous video. So I'm using same project here now. I have added this Google service.json file and made some Firebase integration in a build.gradle file. You can check this and this plugins. After that, in a Android build.gradle also I have some configuration these. So we have already done integrate the Firebase into our Flutter project. So now just I'm starting with the enabling the push notification into Flutter. So just go to the pubspec.yml file and I have added these dependencies. So just put 4 lines in your pubspec.yml and make sure to get the latest version of all the dependencies. Go to the pub.dev and check for the latest version and put it here. After doing this configuration, go to the android.manifest file and you just need to write these lines of code here. After the in application tag, under after closing this activity, you just need to add this service file like service tag, and in the service tag we have the intent filter. This is for the Firebase messaging. So you just need to write these lines of code. You can get my code in the description box. I will share the GitHub repo link and you can get my code. And after adding this service tag, you just have to add this metadata tag also. So you just have to write these lines of code and these lines of code in your Android manifest file. And one more important thing, you just need to write permission. Post notification, boot completed, and internet. These 3 permission you need for enabling push notification to receive the messages. So after completing these steps, we can go to the main file and all things we can do in this file only. So go to the Firebase messaging, go to the pub.dev and search for the Firebase messaging and check for the latest version. And you just need to copy this code. Make sure to copy complete code till main function. I'm copying this code till the main function. So you also have to copy same and put here. I will explain this code. You don't get this. So just remove this. And this function we have written for the getting background messages or background notification in our Flutter app. And this is the Flutter local notification package I have used in pubspec.yml. This is to get the custom local notification into the application. So we have set here for the Android notification channel ID, title, and the description. And we can give the importance of the notification here. Like high. So I have added high, low, max, win, whatever the importance you have to give for the notification. You can customize these using the Flutter local notification package. So I have used this. And one more thing you need to add here, notification setting. So just copying this code. I have already taken this code from the official documentation. So after adding these 3 lines of code, you are good to go here. This, this. And let's write code for the main file now, main function. After initializing Firebase, you just call the Firebase messaging on background function. If we receive any background message, background notification in a Flutter application, this will trigger and it will go to the file where we have write this code. Yeah, I have already like this. So this is exactly same. Yeah, it's exactly same. Yes, we will not be starting and not reload our application. We have to rerun our application after completing these steps. And in your main function, add one more lines of code like for requesting notification permission. And if you are giving that message in a foreground notification, maybe you have to show something, snack bar, toast messages, or anything. For that purpose also we have on message listener, so you can add that function also. So here is a code you can add here. After the initialize, yeah. So after Firebase initialization, we just requesting for the permission, and if the user has denied permission, we can ask again for the notification permission. And for the background message, this function is, and for the on message, this function we use for getting the foreground message if our app is open in device. So this function is used for that. You can show here snag or anything. After making setup in our Flutter application, now let's test by sending the push notification to the from the Firebase console. So just go to the Firebase console and look for your project. Go to the project overview and click on the setting. Here you can find the cloud messaging, or you can go from here, like we have the messaging bar here, and create a new notification. And my project has run successfully, so we will test now. Give the title. and we have edit text and click on the next. Select the application, again click on next. You can schedule the notification, or I'm just want to publish just now, so if it's same, it is optional, so you can leave this. It is also optional, but you can add this. I have already added here notification channel ID. This is also optional, but you can add like a text value enable, and just review and publish the notification. And you can check we received the notification here, testing notification as a channel, as a title. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel Codecraft Manisha as a description for our Flutter Firebase notification. So yes, that's it. And you have successfully enabled the push notification in a Flutter application. And this powerful feature will help you to keep your user engaged and informed about whatever information you have to pass them as a notification, and if you are sending them the offer or any kind of information. So by using this push notification, you can do that. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about whatever the videos I'm uploading. And thanks for watching. Happy coding.